Research has shown that the typical person makes about 2000 decisions every waking hour, from what we wear to what we eat and others. The shocking thing is that as a student, out of these 2000 decisions, you probably make 1500 bad decisions with serious consequences. And they could lead you to a bad mental and physical state, unhealthy social life, and more. So what are you doing wrong, and how can you do better for a healthier present and even happier future? Hey friends, I'm Keshva Tanika, and today I'm going to let you in on all the secrets on how you as a student can make better decisions. But first, if you like watching informative videos like this, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. It is very important to remember that a single decision can sometimes make a large difference because your future is determined by your choices. That is why I'm going to tell you 3 strategies to make better decisions. You apply them and let me know in comment section how it benefited you. Strategy number 1. Eat healthy breakfast. Breakfast is going to be your main source of energy for the whole day and allows your brain to function well. Studies shows that children skip breakfast are not able to concentrate in school, get less nutrients in their diet, and are more likely to have weight problems. Skipping breakfast also means you won't be able to think well and make the right choices. So tomorrow morning, don't run out of the door on an empty stomach. Fuel up with a nutritious breakfast. That's strategy number 1. Before moving on, I want to ask you something. Have you ever felt like your teacher or parent explained something to you that you didn't understand? So you probably pretend to understand it and go away. If you have done that, guys, that's not right. That's the main source of making bad decisions. So here is a strategy number 2. Clear your doubts. It is very important to question when you don't get what someone is saying. If you don't, your mind will always be full of doubts, and this confusion will lead to take a wrong step. Gaining the clarity, especially in class, will also help you get interest in a subject, interact better, and build your confidence in life. Keep in mind, you'll never go wrong with deciding if you are well informed and clear on a subject. Fine, let's move on to next strategy. Before that, I want to ask one more question. Have you been through questions like when to study, how to study, and what to study first, etc.? Yes, it is normal. But if you go on like this, you'll lose out on a lot as a student. So the third strategy is organization. Being organized is the key in making decisions as a student. Being properly organized and prepared for tests and exams can make all the difference to school performance. Always carry a homework planner. This will let you study for tests before time, work on homework well, plan and finish assignments on time, make time for other important work as well as play, show you your progress of how much you have done, helps decide on what other extracurricular activities you can fit in. You can then plan and decide on what to do first and make time for everything. Organization is a decision strategy that will groom you from being a student to being a successful with whatever career you choose. So friends, in these 3 simple steps, you can make so many right decisions in your life that will help you today and build you a better future. So which strategy you will start with first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy this content, then make sure to like this video and share it with your friends too. Thank you.